Hello, welcome to Programming Academic channel. And today, guys, I'm going to show you very simple websites. So you are going to create this thumbnail, and you are going to create like this one, and then going to use in your next business thumbnail or next your business advertising page. We are going to use like this thumbnail, and then you're going to using your business. So in this Canva website, you are going to create so many platforms, so many websites, so many projects, so many things. You are going to do it on Canva websites. Canva websites for website designs. So you are going to create a logos and so many things. You are going to guys to use it. So I'm just going to show you how it's simple and how it's easy. You are going to use it, and also you are going to create a notebooks and then over any book. So you are going to build in Canva websites. You are going to design your dreams notebook or your dreams websites. So it's so easy, and then you're going to do anything you want to get to start to build your own project. So I'm going to show you how to start to do it. I'm going to show you it's very simple way. You see here, there's so many websites also for free and then also for payments. We are going to pay and then to use it. But here there's so many free for free. So I'm going to show you. You're going to see this is all for free. You are going to use it. So when you have any business and then you want to go, or if anyone have a business and then you wanted to you create it like this thumbnail. So you are going to just to take this one and then to change little bit text or any kind of instructions. So I'm giving to change the colors a little bit or to put any photo or anything, and then you're going to use it. So let's go to, and you can edit here another page, and then let's go to take this one. You see guys how it's look, and then you are going to from this one. If you don't want it to this one, you just going to like this you change this one. You see, because this is very, and then you put your own uh, text here. So let's go to put here any text, and then we are going to see online business here, and then we are going to change color. We are going to change color, right? If you want to change, so I'm just saying if you want to change the color. So if you want to this image, if you don't want to, so if you want to remove this one to another place wherever you want. So it's so easy guys to design your website. Then you're going to to download and then to use it in your own websites. So guys, this is what I want to share with you. And then guys, if you are like subscribe on my channel, then you're going to learn so many things I'm going to share with you. And I'm very soon I'm going to start to for data analysis project here, full stack course for data analysis, start doing dashboard. Very soon I'm going to start that if you want to interesting, and then you're going to learning this all for free. And then I'm looking forward to see you there. Bye for now.